Here I go, trying to correct these hair mistakes myself. Hi, so I've done my hair. You know what, it's just going to have to do till lockdown's over and hairdressers are open. But what am I doing now to entertain myself and to do some exercise? I bought myself a hula hoop. And it's a weighted one. But when I was a child, I used to use one that wasn't weighted and it was easy to do. But I've been having a go and I just can't do it. Do you know, I can't do it. We shall see. Oh God, no, I can't do it, I can't do it. Okay, it's not hot. Oh my God. Oh God. I don't know if it's because it's the weights in it making it difficult, or if I've got to go and watch some YouTube video and have a look and see. But it's frustrating because I used to be able to do it and I can't now, and every time it falls on the floor it's whacking my ankles, so I'm going to have 2 bruises either side of my ankles. Okay. Oh God. Oh God. It's not happening. Right, I'm just going to go and watch a YouTube video and see if I can get back into the swing of it. I'll be back. Okay, so I just watched a YouTube video of a lady older than myself and in her twilight years, bless her, and she could do it really well. She taught me, so good. I'm going to have a go. She's saying basically to stand with one foot in front of the other, I think the left foot in front of the other slightly, with my hula hoop in the middle of my back, coming down a little bit. There's not much room in this room, so we shall see. And instead of swinging my hips that way, I've got to do a rocking motion, and up and down on my heels kind of thing. So we'll have a go. And as I push it, she's saying something about pushing it that way. Bless her. I hope this works out. Let's see. No. I have to keep going. Practice makes perfect. No. Ah. Ready, steady, and go. Oh. Oh, it gets frustrating. Ready, and go. No. I'm small on my back, holding it down, rocking. No. Keep going. Oh yes, that's happening. Oh my God. Okay. I did it. I can't believe it. I did it. No. No. I really want to get this right. And hang on, rocking. Go. Okay, yes. Maybe we're getting somewhere. Not perfect, but I'm getting somewhere. Not perfect, but I'm getting somewhere. Oh yes. Okay, you can feel when it's going to go wrong now. I think I've just figured out what you're supposed to do. She said something about when you flick the hula hoop round to push it. So, okay, that didn't work. Right, let's try again. Rocking. I'm not rocking, am I? No. No. Oh God. Try again. Oh, go. Okay, this is hula hoop disaster. Fail. Oh no. Okay, so practice makes perfect. Rocking backwards and forwards. She said something about you can slow it down as well, but I don't think I can slow it down right now. Okay, I'm getting there. I think I'll do another video when I've perfected it, but that's all for now. I actually made mine smaller. I got it off of Amazon and it was supposed to be 2 sections bigger, but I made it smaller. Maybe it would have been better if it was 2 sections bigger, but I haven't got a lot of room in this house, or maybe in the hallway, but I'm only small anyway, so if I made it 2 sections bigger, look, it'd be too huge for me. So I think I'll just carry on and practice with this one, like this. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Okay, if I get it even better, I'll show you next time. Oh my God, I think I might watch a few more videos. So from my new hula hoop and me, bye for now. Stay safe.